Future Warriors. My name is Lindsay Segura, and I am the varsity cheerleading coach here at Martin High School. Here with me is
Cindy Helland, and I am the JV cheerleading coach here at Martin.
And Kristen Session Brown is the freshman cheer coach. On this slide, I have listed all of our email addresses in case you have any questions at the end of this video.
We have many cheerleading activities throughout the year. We participate in pep rallies, football, volleyball, basketball, and playoff games. Last year, we incorporated wrestling and soccer, which was really fun. We always have a yearly UIL competition with the possibility of an NCAA or another local competition. We do Special Olympic events, parades, and community service activities.
The tryout material is comprised of one dance, one cheer with standing tumbling or jump incorporation included in the routine, a running tumbling option, 3 different types of jumps, and this is being created by our current senior cheerleaders. This will be a video recording posted to the Martin Cheer website. The tryout date is Saturday, March 6th, so mark your calendars. And this Wednesday, February 3rd, we have our first cheer interest meeting on Zoom. We have the meeting IDs posted below. At 6 p.m. and 7 p.m. there will be 2 sessions. This is a mandatory meeting, but if you miss the meeting, you still can gain credit. You'll just simply go to the Martin Cheer website, view the Zoom recording of the cheer interest meeting, fill out the attendance form that will be posted at the end of the recording, and then you will receive the tryout packet by accessing that link at the end of the video. The tryout packet is due Wednesday, February 17th. Again, please visit martincheer.com in order to stay updated on any information you may need. And I'm going to show you a quick video clip of one of our competitions from a couple years ago, and I hope you find it entertaining. All right, Warriors, thank you for your interest in Martin Cheer, and go Warriors!